Hey, what's up guys? Corey Hall. I'm back with Bionic Gloves. Today we're going to be learning how to defy gravity with the Typewriter Pull-ups. Now this is the second step from the archer pull-up, so let's get started. Step one in becoming superhuman, what you want to do is come up into the archer pull-up, rotate to the next side. Keep your chin over the bar. Step two, what we're going to be doing is adding in the footwork, okay? Just like you're riding a bicycle. For the last and final step, once you master the air walking, you want to come up, step, move your body, step, move the body. And you can get real creative by coming down, back up, then adding the airwalks into it. That's it. That's the tutorial on the Typewriter Pull-ups. For more extreme tutorials just like this one, go visit Bionic Gloves' social media and YouTube channel. See you guys.